Now we are going to see the car. When the car is parked uphill, the front of my car is on a height much higher than the back of my car. It becomes slightly challenging to start the car without letting it move backwards. Now this is a skill and you will learn it by practice, and once you master that practice, the car will not roll backwards at all when you start the car. Let us see how to do it. Now my parking brake is on, car is parked uphill just like you have stopped while you are driving uphill. Let us see how we are going to start the car and start moving it forward, set it in motion uphill without letting it fall backwards or roll backwards. So first of all, you must keep your foot on the brake pedal just enough to avoid it rolling backwards when we release the handbrake. Now you release the handbrake, press the clutch pedal fully and engage the first gear. Slowly release the clutch pedal. And you will feel the car lifting upwards, the front end of the car lifting upwards once the clutch starts engaging, and you will feel it. And after that you can release your foot off the brake and then you can release the clutch. Let me show you another attempt. Put my foot, press the brake with my right foot, then I press the clutch pedal fully, then I release the handbrake, then I engage the first gear. I slowly release the clutch, feel for the bite point. Now you can see that the clutch is engaging and I slowly release my foot. The car front end of the car is lifting up. Now I release the clutch still further and press the clutch accelerator a little bit. Just enough for the car to get moving, not any more, not any less. If it is less, the car will stall. If it is more, you will wear the clutch. Now I will show you another method. You will not use the foot brake at all in this method. Here you press the clutch pedal completely. Do not put your foot on the brake pedal, foot brake pedal, and engage the first gear and then release the clutch slowly until the biting point is felt. Take your right foot on the accelerator but do not press it until the biting point is felt. Now the car is lifting upwards from the front. I slightly press the accelerator and release the clutch pedal slightly more, put my foot on the accelerator and the car starts moving forward without rolling backwards at all. So here you see both your feet are free to use the accelerator and the clutch without having to use the foot brake.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.